Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a guild on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device. And after you complete the basic intro levels, to understand the basic game mechanisms, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, click on the guild flag at the bottom left corner and this will take you into the guild menu. From here, click on Find a Guild in order to join one. You will now see various different guilds within the recommended screen. You can filter by region or server as well as languages spoken or used. If you already know any guild that you want to join, you can simply enter this guild tag or the guild name within this search box and start your search. After finding the guild that you want to join, just click on it and you can view the guild details. If you are sure that you want to join this guild, you can click on the Join Guild button and now you will become a member of this guild and you will gain access to the guild chat window right away. And you can now start joining matches of this guild and play with other members. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join any guild on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.